dry over the next at least couple hours. So those outdoor activities will be pretty good for again, at least in the next couple of hours. Maryville right now looking absolutely gorgeous. Those clouds, again, starting to break up a little bit as we go towards the afternoon. We had a cold front push through this morning, maybe more of a cool front for it being August, but 81 Knoxville, 81 Maryville, 79 in Tellico Plains. Look at some of these temperatures closer to Kentucky. 70 still at noon in Barberville, 72 Oneida, 73 Jamestown, with a north wind, meaning that's bringing in some drier air up there as well. Still pretty tropical for much of us, so it is sticky. Those temperatures feel better, but it does still feel a little bit more like the tropical feel that we've been feeling. But look at what happens overnight tonight, going into your Saturday and waking up for your Saturday. More comfortable to even some drier conditions up in Kentucky, so a little taste of fall for you very briefly tomorrow morning before that sticky to tropical feel definitely comes back. Today, we're talking about mid to upper 80s, 87 Knoxville, 88 Loudoun, closer to 90 as we approach the Southern Valley, but towards the Northern Valley in eastern Kentucky, we're talking about upper 70s may stay the story for all day, and the plateau lower 80s as well. So definitely more comfortable if you are north of Knoxville. South of Knoxville, still missing out on that heat relief, more like triple-digit heat indices with the combination of heat and humidity. Not even heat indices in southeast Kentucky because it will feel like what the temperature is reading. Clouds will stay, again, it'll be about 50-50 clouds and sun. They'll break up a little bit in parts as we saw in Maryville, but most of the rain stays confined south of I-40 along Gatlinburg to Tellico Plains, the Smokies, maybe Athens to just south of Spring City area, closer to Chattanooga, is going to be the higher chances of rain, where that moisture is a little bit more elevated. Level 1 out of 4 risk for any of those flash flooding concerns. Very, very isolated, mainly over the mountains. Tonight, again, a very comfortable start to the weekend. We're talking upper 60s, some mid 60s, 65 Maynardville, 63 Oneida, 62 Crossville, and 66 in Loudoun. Again, a little drier if you're north of I-40 as well, so very comfortable taste of fall. And tomorrow won't be too shabby either. 83 Knoxville, 83 Kingston, staying again in the 70s, northern plateaus, southeast Kentucky, 83 in Athens and Tellico Plains. So you in the Southern Valley, hold off one more day and that heat relief will be there. And we do have to deal with some showers and storms tomorrow. Again, especially east of 75. Once again, it'll be mainly cloudy, a little bit more widespread storms. I think tomorrow, a little bit better chance of seeing those showers and storms, and then they'll push south and west, fizzle out tomorrow night. Bristol forecast, what about that? For that baseball game, I think showers and storms are mainly before the first pitch at 7 o'clock. Otherwise, we're talking about mainly dry, cloudy, and in the 70s the entire game. We are watching a little bit of a tropical disturbance that could get going. This will mainly miss us, is what we're thinking right now, but even if it goes more towards the eastern side of the mountains, elevated rain chances are definitely going to be a possibility. We're talking about half of us seeing rain through the weekend, and then about a third to half of us seeing rain each and every day. Again, not a washout, and not all of us see rain every day, but it is something to keep in mind. Download our free WATE app and keep that radar handy for the next 7 days. But the bigger story I think we're all excited about, below average temperatures for the next 7 days, Tirsa.
Absolutely, we are. Thank you. Coming up on 6 News Mid.